Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about our new chapter, The World of Animals. The earth is a home to a variety of plants and animals. Like plants, even the animals found on this planet are very diverse in nature. These creatures differ from each other in their food and feeding habits, nesting habits, modes of locomotion, and many other characteristics. In this chapter, we will study about some of these variations. Firstly, we will study about habitat. Animals live everywhere on the earth. The place where an animal lives or is found naturally is called its habitat. There are 5 main habitats on the earth. These are forest, desert, polar region, ocean, and freshwater. So, the first habitat is forest. A forest is a vast region that is covered densely by trees and different varieties of plants. It provides shelter to animals. Next is desert. A desert is a sandy and dry region as it receives very little rainfall. It is usually hot during the day and cold at night. Due to these reasons, the animals found here have special features that help them to live in such harsh conditions. Some examples of desert animals are camel, scorpion, bandicoot, hedgehog, and desert tortoise. The next habitat is polar region. The regions near the north and south poles on the earth are called polar regions. The north pole is named Arctic and the south pole is called Antarctica. They are always covered with ice and snow. Similarly, the high altitude mountains are also covered with snow all round the year. Next is ocean. An ocean is a vast and continuous body of saline water. It is the largest habitat on the earth. A large variety of animals are found here. Some of them are whale, dolphin, seal, seahorse, and octopus. These animals are well adapted to live in salty water. Next is freshwater. Freshwater is naturally occurring water on the earth's surface. It contains minimal quantities of dissolved salts. This kind of habitat gives shelter to numerous animals like fish, frog, salamander, toad, duck, swan, crane, and a number of insects. Now we will see the body covering of animals. In order to adjust to the different kinds of environmental conditions of the habitat, animals have different types of body coverings. The body of birds is primarily covered with feathers. Feathers keep them warm and protect them from moisture. Another type of body covering is fur. Animals like yak, bear, and sheep have fur on their body. It helps to keep the animal warm by protecting it against rain and cold. Animals like snake, lizard, and some fish have a layer of dry and overlapping scales. These scales protect the underneath skin and also prevent loss of water in some animals. Another commonly found body covering is shell. It is very hard and strong. Shells can be seen in land and ocean animals like turtle, tortoise, and snail. Next is feeding habits of animals. Feeding habits differ from animal to animal. They also depend on the availability of food in the habitat. There are 3 main classes in which animals can be classified on the basis of their eating habits. These are herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores are the animals that eat only plants. They have sharp front teeth called incisors for biting. Cow, goat, deer, and giraffe are some herbivores. Carnivores like lion, tiger, cat, and fox are those animals which feed on the flesh of other animals. Such animals have sharp and pointed front teeth called canines that help them to tear flesh. Scavengers like vulture, hyena, and wolf are special types of carnivores that feed on dead or decaying animals. Next are omnivores. Omnivores are those organisms that eat both animals and plants. Examples of omnivores include man, bear, crow, and squirrel.